Hey, we are from DDU Hub, and today we are covering IGDTU Fest. Anyways, so DDU Hub is a website which is a timeline based college student portal. When you enter the college, it will tell you where you can find a room or a flat or a PG outside the college. When you get further into the college, it will tell you about the study materials and books and all that you need, where you can find them, and you can buy it from the website as well. Further, when you go into the college, we'll provide you with exam material and shit. You get the idea, right? So let's get straight to it. Let's cover the fest. Yeah, so what's your name?
Vaibhavi.
You're the head coordinator?
Yeah.
Why is it in this college that only second years are organizing and third years are doing nothing?
The third years are the core. They are doing a lot of work.
In the final years?
Final years have exams for gates and all, and they are preparing for the placements.
Can you tell me about the fest and all the events and all?
Fest, the Urban Thump, the Western dance is going on in the ground, and it's a big hit.
Which one is your favorite event of the day?
Urban Thump.
You also do Western dance on your?
I don't know even the D of dance.
Miss Always in Hurry. What's your name?
Amisha.
Your most favorite event of the day?
I think it has to be dance one because I can't dance but I like that.
Okay, what do you do?
Almost anything I feel like doing.
Tell me anything about your fest.
There are so many events like Lilac Dreams, dancing, singing.
Okay, give me a brief itinerary of all the events of the day.
Urban Thump and then Lilac.
Read it out.
There's so many events. Okay, the Urban Thump, Unheard, War of Words, Lilac Dreams, and then Minute to Win, Luck by Chance, and Land.
What is Luck by Chance?
Lottery game.
Is there any game for those couples and all?
Blind dating. Blind dating.
What happens in that? I like the name.
There are three rounds. First round is they know each other. The unknown people, they just
Unknown people know each other.
they make pair, and then there's the questionnaire round so that they can interact. What else?
Known people interacting with each other is known as blind date.
Chit system will make pairs and will ask them question, and there will be a compatibility check with that who knows
Compatibility check.
know each other well. Interact.
Okay, do a 1 minute compatibility check between me and her.
First you know each other.
Okay, so in 1 minute we have to know each other, okay? So you ask me 5 questions, I'll ask you 5 questions. Only 1 minute.
What else? You dance?
One question.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you, cats or dogs?
Dogs. Cats or dogs?
Dog.
You go. Then I'll ask the same.
Oh yeah. Why will you ask the same question? Cappuccino or chai?
Chai. I don't have any of the things.
Guitar or piano.
Yeah, guitar or piano.
Yeah.
Golgappe or pizza? Yeah.
Golgappe. You?
Pizza.
Okay, Shah Rukh Khan or Aamir Kapoor?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Me too. Now we know each other.
Blind dating people will ask questions.
I know the compatibility is very low. You want to tell me something about the fest?
Fest is
What is your event?
mine is blind dating and Battle of Bandstar.
How do you check the compatibility?
We have so many rounds to check the compatibility.
So,
Yes, exactly.
tell me the best round.
I think the last one. It's gonna be amazing. And I can't tell you, how can I reveal the event?
What last round is for public viewing?
Yeah, everybody
Or
can.
will it be done in the hostel?
No. No, not in the hostel. वो लोगों की personal choice है. They can go anywhere.
Go. Okay, what's your name?
Shreya. Akanksha.
Medha and Nikita.
Fast.
Divya.
What do we eat?
Chicken tikka roll.
Chicken tikka. You haven't heard about bird flu?
I have.
You want to get killed?
No.
Why do you eat a chicken tikka?
Because I'm optimistic. Yeah. I'm hoping that bird did not have bird flu.
We'll have to find out. We hope for your best health and everything. She might die in a few days.
Hi.
Anyways, yeah. What do you like in the best?
You dance.
The dance.
Yeah.
Have you done the paintball thing yet?
No. I was busy with the organizing stuff.
You were busy eating also.
Yeah. That too. Yeah.
Why did you steal my college's name and attach it to your college?
Well, I'm not sure. Probably because DTU is more famous than IGIT, so we just thought.
So why did you do a spelling mistake in technological and make it technical?
I don't know.
You guys are dumb.
Yeah, we are wrong. That's why we are here. Otherwise, we would have.
We guys are also dumb. So you want to play a game? Anybody wants to get their hands dirty? I mean their nails.
Yeah.
You want nail polish? Nail paint? You don't mind having some filthy nail paints on your hands the entire day, right? Cool. Okay, so the game is you have to apply nail paints in all the 10 fingers. And if you apply it right in 5 fingers, you win in 90 seconds. But you will be blindfolded. Can I have your scarf? Opaque, can you tie it around nice? If you do it right, you get a chocolate. And you get a chocolate for volunteering. Start. Awesome! Awesome, you can have one hand and you can hold the hand. This is the nail. You can feel the nail. You can feel the nail. Yeah. Do you know how to apply nail polish in real life? I mean, without the blindfold on?
I know how to apply, but I can't right now.
Okay, nice try. You have to put it again also, you know that?
Oh God.
I think you won. You did a great job. Go to the camera. Okay, this is how you apply nail paint to a girl's hand. I'm so sorry, I personally didn't expect this. This is how IGIT girls apply nail paints. People.
Yeah. We have to find ways to be unique.
As it is, you are dying in a few days, right? Because of yeah, so what's your name?
Neha.
What is your event?
We are playing Luck by Chance.
What happens in that?
If you are lucky, we have 3 games over here. One is Lucky 7. Other
Okay, this is high-low.
yeah.
High-low kind of.
This is the list. There are three games. First is beat it. So you have to pick a handful of beads from this box. Okay? If you get these beads, 2 from this color, 2 from this color, so you win. Otherwise you lose. And
I'm official partners. I can just try the game at least. No.
You can try, but we'll not give you anything.
Below 7. Saved you money. What's your name?
Shivangi.
Which event is yours? This
Luck
only.
by Chance, yeah.
So, you are employing 4 people for just
1 game.
1 game, which is
I'm not a part of this.
nothing.
I'm part of the content team.
Content team.
Yeah.
What is the name of your magazine or something?
It is not a magazine, it's a newsletter that gets published after the fest.
Do the cards one. Face the camera, show your seriousness.
Simran.
Which one are you playing?
I think I should play Read It.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Beat it.
Only 5 seconds. This is not easy.
Yeah, 5 seconds.
Okay.
This one is easy, I can do it. Which one do you have to choose?
2 red and 2 black.
2 red and 2 black.
there is red. There are maroons also.
Okay. 1 second चार मेरे तो हाथ में 4 beats भी आ गई. Okay, this is not easy. We got more power. You lost. Go. Okay, wait. You get a chocolate.
Thank you, so nice.
I'm more generous than you people, okay?
This game is Minute to Win It.
Okay, and how do you play it?
So here we have 3 games. First is a cup game where you need to pick up the cups in like one at a time, and you need to put it at the bottom. And in the end, you need to bring this red cup at the top. And we have
Okay, and what does the winner get?
the winner gets some coupons.
So you guys are master at this.
Yeah, we have tried it.
So can you do it?
Go for it.
Yeah, we can.
So what's your name?
Amisha.
Okay, let's see Amisha do this.
Wait, time starts now. That is not allowed.
That is not allowed. Somehow we've already lost. You have to hold it in your hands and it shouldn't touch your body at all. You cannot keep it on the table.
And it should be like 1 cup at a time. The time starts now.
मुझे देख कैसे लोग हैं सब मैच चेयर कर रहा हूँ देख ले Cheers for him, यार
Come on, you can do it. Yes.
Great.
Well done.
It's easy.
So this is the dance competition going on of IGDTU.
I've registered myself.
Oh, you like paintballs?
Yeah, I love painting.
So what will you do if all your hair and everything get covered in paint and all? By chance. If all your hair or face got covered in paint.
So what? It's fine. Yeah. So what? It's not like I'm ugly.
So first time we are really very nervous. The choreography that we have done, we have just prepared it only in the morning. So we are just so tense.
Exactly. इतना ज़्यादा नर्वसनेस है कि हद से ज़्यादा और पता नहीं कि ब्लैंक ना हो जाए कहीं क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम है और पता नहीं अच्छा डांस तो नहीं है बट स्टिल गेट इट ट्राई
She is the head coordinator and the associates.
Oh, sorry, what was the name?
My name is Aditi.
What was your name?
Meedha.
Mrigya.
Face the camera.
Mrigya. I just coordinate all these people. I have to tell you, I have to tell them what exactly to do.
Which college are you from?
We are from you.
Your name?
Shivangi.
Tanvi. Aditi.
Smriti. Divya. Rashmi.
Okay, so are you guys only here to attend or you are gonna participate also?
They are. Blind date.
Blind date, oh my god.
Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet.
We are getting ourselves registered.
So what are you expecting from it?
No such expectations. It was just for fun. No such expectations. It was just for fun.
So let you and me do a blind date and see our compatibility.
Yeah, sure. That's
Okay, so compatibility between Munjal and.
I'm Smriti.
Okay, start question number one.
So-
first question, one question, this question, he'll be asking a question and then you'll be asking a question, okay? And rapid fire in 1 minute. 1 minute you'll have to know him completely. I can ask you anything about him, okay? Fast.
Okay, Golgappa or pizza?
Pizza.
Your question, fast.
Question, yaar. I'm not interested, yaar.
You don't want to know him?
No. Okay, ask her.
These girls don't believe me until I show them something.
See, do it.
Now fast. Fast.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Okay, come on. What's your name?
Shivangi.
Okay, first one.
ये पे नहीं आ रहा ना?
आ रहा है जल्दी. DDU.com पे आएगा. आगे बोलो. Question, your question.
Is it Delhi Technical University?
Yeah, this college stole that. Yeah.
Vodka or champagne?
Champagne.
Come on.
Okay, pub or disc? Pub or disc?
Disco.
Let's go. Your question. 1 minute में.
Say chaat or pizza.
Pizza. Okay.
हम लोग चार खाते हैं.
Kiss or hug?
Hug. Friends with benefits or relationship?
I know the answer.
Friends with benefits. Question, friends with benefits?
Relationship.
Oh, which college are you from?
Vivekanand College, Delhi University.
इसीलिए.
What do you mean? Ranveer. Ranveer.
Question.
Okay, Ranveer or Shahrukh? अरे उसे लड़की का पूछना था गवार लड़की. Okay, okay. Angelina or Deepika?
Angelina or Deepika? Tough question. Tough. Deepika.
Deepika.
Angelina यार. भारतीय नारी सबको प्यारी. She is married. She has 6 kids.
Okay. What do you think he might like? Slim girls or, healthy ones?
Girls with curves. Slim girls with curves.
No, not curvy. I'm asking her healthy.
Slim or healthy?
Your answer.
Slim or
Slim or healthy?
Slim.
Right.
1-0. Okay.
Romantic or fun loving? Romantic or fun loving? Like what do you want in a girlfriend?
अच्छा me. What do I want? Okay. इसका question था ना अभी?
Okay, but
Your turn.
My girlfriend is not straight. I would love that.
really?
I would love that. I love threesomes.
हम होते हैं.
8 fingers and 2 thumbs में nail paint लगाना है in 90 seconds.
Okay.
But you will be blindfolded. And if skin पे थोड़ा भी touch किया तो if you did 5 fingers correct, 5 including the thumb. If you did 5 fingers correct, you win a chocolate. बस नहीं दिखेगा उसे.
Control, बेटा control.
Okay. Okay, go. Go.
आप तेरी.
राइट में. अरे सही.
रुक जाओ यार.
First round, जल्दी.
अबे
Very good. Awesome. आपको कितना टाइम लगा इतने रील्स उगाने में?
Around about 2 months or 3 months.
2 months. You deserve the chocolate, but
I deserve it.
you deserve a chocolate. Chocolate.
Thank you. DDU Hub rocks.
Yeah. What are you doing? Duet or
I'm solo.
solo? And you?
I'm doing a duet. Sarah.
Special thing that you're gonna do. And I just won't do.
As a team, what we are doing?
Yeah.
We are performing a little bit of hip hop. And भैया आप बताओ आपने
And lyrical too.
Whoa.
Ballet and contemporary.
Okay, what is that? Explain.
Contemporary is in spotting and extinction and all feel like about feel. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have learned it from somewhere?
Yeah, I'm the student of Astral Labo.
Okay.
Doing
Nice
solo.
hairstyle, man.
Thanks. I'm doing solo on Baba Ji Ki Booty freestyle.
Baba Ji ki booty.
I have to sing.
Baba Ji ki booty.
Nah, not that one. Dun, dun, dun. See that? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun,
You smoked a Baba Ji ki booty just before coming here? What's your name?
My name is Iqbal Singh.
What are you doing?
I'm studying in this college.
What are you doing right now?
BA Maths honors. I'm doing dance.
Which one?
I have done on 2 songs of the movie like Dhoom 3, Dhoom Machale Dhoom, and Ye Jawani Diwani, Balam Pichkari.
Ye Jawani, you're doing solo?
Yes.
Okay, why have you chosen such varied songs, Balam Pichkari and Dhoom Machale?
Dhoom, because I hate the old movie songs like Kal Ho Na Ho, Pretty Woman, and It's a Time to Disco, so I have chosen Dhoom 3, Dhoom Machale Dhoom, and Ye Jawani Diwani, Balam Pichkari.
By the camera.
जो तूने मुझे मारी उसकी भी शादी छोड़
आ रहा है? Okay, fine. And Dhoom 3 also?
Dhoom Machale.
और ये IGDTU कॉलेज के सिक्योरिटी हेड सर, नाम क्या आपका?
बीरबल सिंह।
और क्या बोर हुए आज सारे?
नहीं बोर नहीं, अच्छा चला, रिसेप्शन भले अच्छा लगा।
यहाँ उतनी सिक्योरिटी इशू तो है नहीं ना वैसे?
नहीं, काफ़ी सिक्योरिटी है, आपने देखा होगा।
नहीं इशू मतलब इतना कोई सिक्योरिटी का ऑफेंस वगैरह की कॉलेज में घुस रहा है?
नहीं है, बाहर का बंदा कोई ऐसे अलाउड नहीं है।
और
2 पढ़ रहे हैं, एक बेटी की शादी कर दी है।
क्या पढ़ा?
बेटी ने BA कर ली थी, BA करके मैरिज करा दी, 2 भी पढ़ रहे हैं।
यहाँ ये सिक्योरिटी हेड कब से आप?
हाँ, तो काफ़ी टाइम हो गया हमें।
10 साल?
हाँ, मैक्सिमम 5 साल तो ही गए।
इनको कितने साल से जानते हो?
मैं इनको 2-1 साल से जानता हूँ।
स्ट्रिक्ट है?
बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है, ये तो बिल्कुल ओके है। ऐसा है, देखो समय का हिसाब देखना पड़ता है। जब कोई नहीं यहाँ वो होता गार्जियन या कोई नहीं आते तो थोड़ा ढील सी भी दे लेते हैं, नहीं तो अपना ड्यूटी तो वो करनी पड़ती है।
फेस्ट में तो टाइट होता है ना एकदम?
हाँ जी, पूरा टाइट रखते हैं, इसमें कोई वो नहीं करते।
Anybody who can make 7 hairstyles in 1 minute. Okay? कितना टाइम हुआ? 4. Last 10 seconds. 6, final. 4, 3. Yo, dare completed.
They have also exchanged the numbers.